Everyone, let's welcome our sea lion. This is Pumba. And with my best buddy, our trainer, that will be Knock. Everyone, why don't you raise your hand? Say hello to the both of them. Now, sea lions, they are very intelligent animals. They are very smart, and they can swim up to a speed of 40 kilometers per hour. They can dive up to a depth of about 200 meters. And get this, they can hold their breath from 10 to 15 minutes long. And they are very vocal animal as well. Alright, morning Nok and Pumba. Just to start off today, Nok, is everything okay?
Morning, man. No.
No. What's wrong? I was saying he's very intelligent, he can swim very fast.
Pumba upset. Big deal.
He's upset with me.
You forgot to say something.
Oh.
Very important.
Alright, my bad. Alright, sorry Pumba. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I forget something very important. I suppose I have to start the show by saying sea lions, intelligent animal, which I say that, but most important, the one up there, very good looking. Now talking about good looking, keep our cameras on Pumba. Here's a beautiful big jumper. One more time. Now that's almost 300 kilos on just the two flippers. Now talking about the flipper of sea lions, have you ever caught sea lions as a true seal? Now seals and true seal can only lie down on the floor. Now how do a true seal move? They wriggle on the floor just like a caterpillar. Rotating keyboards at the back, they allow them to do some spinning and even a spin. Now something a true seal unable to do. Please give Pumba a flipper round of applause. Now right at the beginning, I was saying how fast a sea lion can swim, 40 kilometers to be exact. So everyone, want to see how fast Pumba can swim? Alright, Pumba, your turn to go into the water. Show everyone how fast you can swim. Did I miss something? No. Calm down, Pumba. Did I say something wrong again?
No. He say he doesn't want to swim.
He doesn't want to swim. He's a sea lion.
He said earlier on he saw something big and scary in the pool.
There's something big and scary in the pool, everyone. Look inside, especially for those at the top. Can go all the way down. You see anything big? Anything scary, everyone? Alright, Pumba is checking on himself. Alright, Pumba, come on, there's nothing. Let's show everyone how fast you can swim. There's a shark in the water. Come on, Pumba, if there's one, you have it for breakfast. Come on. Now that's 40 kilometers per hour as fast as a moving car. Now the streamlined body slides it right across. Now sea lions and dolphins, one thing for their eyes, have the ability to accommodate to the reflection of light, which means that even if objects high above the surface of the water, even though they are right underneath. Now to prove this theory, not holding on to a boat target, let's see the ball target. Pumba is going to take a short break. Now, for those not serious parents, okay, parent, mommy, what's going to happen? If later on Pumba cannot find the watch, to find the watch, someone call Michaela, right? She can sleep, right? Yes. She said yes. I need a favor. Pumba cannot find the watch to come down, how to throw her in. Okay? Now, to make sure we're not cheating, alright, Pumba is looking away. Michaela, do me a favor. Throw the watch into the pool. Throw it in. Yes, go. Very good. Take a look at the watch going into the water now. Okay, take a look at you take a seat over here. Okay? You pray that Pumba find the watch. If not, swimming time. Okay. Alright, Pumba, we are searching for a missing watch. If you don't mind, Pumba, let's go for it. Is what we know as the corkscrew. Now for those in the front, especially for those in the back, okay, take a closer look. What Pumba is doing the behavior underwater. Is the eyes open or closed? That's because sea lions, their eyes are very special. They do have a membrane that covers their eyes that allow them to open underwater. You're gonna head back over to north. Okay, now by now you've seen how fast a sea lion can swim, how agile a sea lion can be. Right at the beginning, I said, it's not killer whale, it's not shark. Instead, we are talking about plastics. Now, especially for marine mammals such as sea lions and dolphins and even turtle, they do confuse them as food. They eat on them, they choke, and they die. But other than plastic, we are talking about, because of their intelligence, they tend to go near fishing nets. Because they know by going near to the nets, they get fish. By doing so, they get entangled with fishing nets in life and end up with a broken liver. Now that's how they move. I guess it's pretty hurts. So everyone, a simple gesture from us, which again, we have heard it a lot of times, to reuse, reuse, and to recycle. Let's start off by reusing and stick it to a canvas bag such as this, which you can use it over and over again. Now, especially for those who live nearby the coast, please do us a favor. If you ever see plastic bags in the ocean, please pick it up and throw it to the nearest beach. But other than that, we're talking about the next thing, reuse. Instead of using one-time plastic just for your water consumption, please change it to a water bottle such as this. Especially for Singapore Zoo, we do encourage the use, as we have water refill stations all over the parks just for you to top up your water bottle. Nice one, Pumba. Last but not least, recycle. Now for objects, other bottles you have no use of, please don't just dump into the ocean. Instead, let's just bring it to the nearest recycling bin. So that's the plastic we're talking about, plastic bottle. And there's Pumba heading over to the nearest recycling bin. Now, if we can train our sea lions to do so, I believe all of us, hand in hand, we can build a brighter future just for them to live in. Now, with that said, coming almost to the end of our presentation, the next behavior. You know, keep your eyes, when you pick up cameras, focus right to the front. Now, this behavior allows dolphins or sea lions to swim and breathe at the same time. It's called the Pumba.